Hi, welcome to our channel. 2023 BMW 7 Series Review and Prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros. Engines offer smooth, powerful acceleration. Interior blends futuristic design with high-quality materials. Smooth and quiet ride. Long list of standard features. Cons. Lack of interior buttons can be frustrating. Optional rear seat display obstructs visibility. What's new? A new 7 Series generation debuts, with a massively improved interior. Impressive material choices and tech features. No longer feels like just a nicer 5 Series. Introduces the 7th 7 Series generation for 2023. The prices. MSRP range, $93,300 to $113,600. Overview. For 2023, the BMW 7 Series has been redesigned from the ground up. It has new styling inside and out. The infotainment and navigation system has been redesigned, and the 7 is now available with BMW's latest hands-free highway driving assist system. There are some significant changes under the hood, too, as both the 6 and 8-cylinder engines gain mild hybrid systems that slightly improve acceleration, smoothness and fuel economy. But pour one out for the V12, it's no longer available. Oh, and BMW is releasing an all-electric variant, though we review that car, the BMW i7, separately. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.